Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with delicate grooming, whether it's shaping your eyebrows, taming peach fuzz, or handling light facial hair, you know the importance of precision and comfort. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Wahl Clean Confident Female Battery Pen Trimmer, designed specifically for gentle, no irritation grooming. Compact, travel-friendly, and built with rinseable blades, this little tool promises a smooth trim wherever you are. Out of the box, the trimmer impresses with its sleek purple finish and lightweight design. It runs on a battery included right from the start, which means it's ready to go for travel or quick touch-ups. The stainless steel precision blades are designed to cut close without tugging or irritation, perfect for sensitive areas like eyebrows, peach fuzz, and even the bikini line. There's also a 2-position adjustable eyebrow guide comb, which makes defining and shaping your brows a lot more precise than freehand trimming. The Rinseable blades add a hygienic touch. Simply run them under warm water and allow them to dry before the next use. Using it was surprisingly effortless. The trimmer glided over my brows and fine facial hair without pulling or causing redness, which is a huge win for sensitive skin. The ergonomic design made it comfortable to hold, and its travel-friendly size meant I could easily toss it in my bag for on-the-go touch-ups. One small note, because it's battery-operated, you'll want to check the battery occasionally if you're using it frequently, but the max power battery seems to hold up well under regular use. So, what stands out? I love the precision of the stainless steel blades and how gentle it is, especially for sensitive areas. The Rinseable feature makes hygiene simple, and the adjustable eyebrow guide is genuinely useful for shaping. On the flip side, it's strictly for light grooming, so don't expect it to replace a full-scale trimmer or heavy-duty hair removal tool. In terms of value, it's competitively priced for a trusted brand like Wahl, known for professional-grade clippers and trimmers since 1919. You're paying a little extra for reliability and build quality, but considering the hygiene-friendly blades, ergonomic design, and precision performance, it's justified. Compared to other battery-operated pen trimmers for women, Wahl's version feels sturdier and more thoughtfully designed, especially for sensitive grooming needs. The build quality is solid, lightweight yet durable, and the blades maintain their sharpness through multiple uses. Because they're stainless steel and rinseable, you can expect them to stay hygienic and effective over time. While I haven't had to contact customer support personally, Wahl has a long-standing reputation for professional reliability, which adds confidence if you ever need assistance. If you're looking for alternatives on a budget, there are other battery-operated facial trimmers for women, but many lack the precision guide or Rinseable blades that make this one stand out. For sensitive skin and those who prioritize hygiene and portability, this model is tough to beat. Overall, the Wahl Clean Confident Female Battery Pen Trimmer hits all the right notes for light, precise grooming. It's gentle, hygienic, travel-friendly, and well-built, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable, easy-to-use pen trimmer. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to grab your own trimmer in the comments or description box. If you've used this trimmer, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.